Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the next demo. So in this demo, I'm going to show you how you can clean up the file and how you can start with a different source document. So for example, let me first, I have added an extra menu which will clear this sheet. So if I'll click on this one, this will clear everything at the bottom. As you can see, no more formula than nothing. Now, if this is the source file, this is the source document, you just need to double click on the URL and mostly if you will double click on it, it will select you the ID automatically. If you will double click on that part, if you will double click on here, so it's like this. But in case sometimes it does not copy everything, does not select everything, ID, sorry. So let me show you again. So once you'll double click, it will normally select the ID, but if not, then you can always select from the slash after D to the next slash and then copy it, go to the event document, and here I have created this cell. Let me color this yellow. So in this cell, you need to just go into it, double click, paste it, and that's it. Now this source file from which you have copied the ID, this is now linked, and the number of tabs present in this tab, only the visible tabs. Because I can see there are some tabs which are hidden. So I'm considering that those are not included because the task is not going to go inside it and check out if there is any data available in this one. So I'll keep this hide. So let me repeat this part. Only the visible tabs will be get processed for the data consolidation. So I hope if there are any extra tabs like the template, drop down menu or anything, you will hide those. Okay, so only the visible available tabs will be processed. This is just to avoid any extra tab to get processed and throw error. So I'll go back to this sheet, which is where we have just pasted the ID. Click on this and consolidate the data. Again, this will give you a fresh copy of the data from row 6 to onward, whatever the number of rows available in the source document. So this will give you a fresh copy every time you will run this. I'll make a copy of it and then I'll show you how you can make it for the next week or the next run if you want to have a different data. Okay, you can see now we have the data and the 72 tabs are processed. So I think I've given the link of the file where the tabs were 72 and it took less than 1 minute. Okay, so having said that, let me make another copy of it. If I'll make for the next week, if I'll make a copy of it, basically you don't need to clear the sheet because every time it's going to consolidate the new data. You'll see the pop-up of the custom menu shortly. So every time you are going to run the consolidation, it's going to clear everything from the beginning and it will consolidate all the data from the source tab and again paste it here. So you don't need to clear every time, but if you want to clear for some cases, you can always click on this and clear this. So let me clear one more time. Yeah, obviously, once you are going to run it for the first time for a make after making a copy, this is going to ask you that yes, if you want this to run through this ID, you have to allow it that okay, yeah, I want to run this code through this ID. Once you are satisfied, clear this and run the consolidation again. So that is it. So for the next time, for example, if you want to change the process of the source document, you can always go back to the source document, double click on the ID part. Now you see it's selected only half of the ID, so you need to select it manually. After the slash D slash and between the next slash, just copy it, paste it in the yellow cell and run the consolidation, and it will take all the values, all the tabs, all the visible tabs from this one, obviously, uh, with the same formatting, and it's going to consolidate all the data and give it back to you on the sheet. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if there is any confusion or I missed something. Looking forward for your review. Please do leave a feedback. Take care. Bye.